Welcome to Andrew's garage.
Alright, where are we heading to, buddy?
Today we're going back to my unknown's shop to see the progress he's made.
On
the Mustang.
Alright, what's happening here today, Andrew?
It looks like Unknown's finished installing the ground effects.
And what are the ground effects? And what's Amnoy going to be doing next?
Now he's going to be refinishing the interior of the box on the Mustang.
So still quite a bit to do, but looks like it's getting pretty close, hey?
Yes, it's getting very close. I can't wait to see the finished product.